In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect all your Notion calendars together into one cohesive master view, a task that will streamline your schedule management and keep your planning seamless. We'll be creating a unified calendar view that incorporates each of your existing Notion calendars, making it simpler to track and manage all your commitments in one place. Let's get started. First, we'll start by creating a master calendar in Notion. This requires adding a new calendar database as the foundation of our unified view. Open your Notion app and navigate to the page where you'd like your master calendar to be. Once you're there, click to add a new block and select Calendar from the database options. This new calendar will act as the central hub for your various schedules. Next, we need to link other calendars to this master one. In Notion, you can do this by using the Create Linked Database feature. To do this, simply type a / followed by linked in your new calendar. You'll see an option pop up for Create Linked Database. Click on it and a new window will appear, allowing you to pick from your existing calendars. Select the calendar you want to link. With these steps, you have now successfully linked one of your existing calendars to your master calendar. For your calendar to be comprehensive, you need to repeat this process for each of the calendars you wish to include. Go through the same Create Linked Database operation, linking each of your personal and professional schedules to integrate them into one cohesive view. Remember, each calendar you link will bring more clarity to your schedule, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Now that you have all your calendars linked together, take a moment to organize your master calendar view. You might want to adjust the layout, rename events, or change the color coding of entries. This customization will make your primary calendar intuitive and pleasant to look at. The aesthetics of your calendar can significantly impact your ability to quickly interpret the information. So take your time with this step. With all your calendars connected and your master calendar tailored to your needs, you've now simplified your scheduling process substantially. In one glance, you can see every appointment and deadline across both your personal and professional domains, helping you manage your time more effectively. The integration of your calendars into a single view is a powerful productivity tool, ensuring you stay on top of your tasks and never miss an important date. With the steps outlined, you should now have a seamless master calendar on Notion. This master view will effortlessly sync all your important dates, allowing you to focus on the things that matter most. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in creating your perfect calendar solution.